Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make decorative LED light in Chanda Nagar style. And this is a poster that I had painted many years ago when I had no more time and started to paint some funny political pictures. And I am going to use this cartoon figure, that is the casually drawn TMC symbol, and use this LED to fix in its border, and just the wiring will be behind this paintings. And I am going to make some holes in this outline using the biology box needle, so that LED goes inside these holes. So let's continue. Friends, you can see one of my LED is fixed there, and this are its needle, and in similar manner I am going to decorate the whole thing with LED except the base, because I have only few LED and there are shortage of LED, so I had to somehow manage with these things. I am only one who is performing, recording the video, speaking to you and performing the tasks, so you can manage, you can understand how difficult it is, and for that I had to skip some of its part, but I will make you understand well. Friends, as you can see, I had attached the LED here on the orange, first on the orange color, these are the white LEDs, and next I had to bend these LED probes and connect them in parallel condition, and my circuit will be complete. And as I am only one making this video and performing the tasks, I had to skip some of the parts, but as you can see friends, my bending task is over. These are all in parallel combination, and now I had to just solder its ends, so my work is done. Friends, this is the old mobile phone battery. Actually it is not supported by the mobile phone, but it can store electrical energy and stay in forward condition. I had connected this battery to the decorative light. Friends, you can see this is the TMC flag decorative light, and with any poster, any canvas poster or flex poster, it can be done. I had used cartoon cardboard for this painting. This is a messy dirt, not that better painting. I had done it casually without taking any help from the previous painting, and so with this we can do our work and perform much decorative lights with any kind of poster or paintings. I had completed these things and of TMC symbol, and only the soldering portion is left. I will solder it to make a complete set, and I had got some new LEDs. This is for its for another poster, that is for BJP, and in same manner I am going to make holes in its outline. I had fixed the LED here, and I had to paint the background white or green, any color, and I had to solder the remaining legs of this flower on the decorative LED. Then my task is over. Now I am simply going to solder its leg. Friends, in same manner I am going to make holes in its outline and fix these LEDs that I had brought. These are green to green LED for its decorative purpose. I had completed these things and of TMC symbol, and only the soldering portion is left. I will solder it to make a complete set, and I had got some new LEDs. This is for its for another poster, that is for BJP, and in same manner I am going to make holes in its outline. Friends, when I use battery for illuminating this LED, you can see there is a battery here connected to the terminals. This is a 4 volt 0.5 ampere battery that is low voltage, low current and low voltage, favors continuous glow of the LED. Hence we require less than 5 volt and less than 2 ampere current for continuous LED glow. Thank you. Hello friends, in this video I am going to complete this Chanda Nagar style decorative LED. I had brought several LEDs. These are all LED. It cost me 150 rupees a set. Here it contains two, each LED price 2, and here we have 50 piece LED, more 50 or more than 50 like that. I got it at a discounted price, and now I am going to fix this in fix the LED in this board in this pattern, and last circuit was completed and I had remaining 2 flowers to go. So I will just make couple of holes around the outline of this diagram and put the LED and solder it using the iron and solder. Friends, as you can see, I had soldered end to end, and I am using this charger for supplying power, and the LED is now in switch on mode, and you can see it is glowing brightly, and one of the LED due to overheating has been damaged, and it has changed to one or two of the LED has changed into blinking LED. So friends, my work is done.